central banks have been trying to roll out their own central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, but they have not caught on. Basically, nobody cares because there's no value proposition. There's no reason to want a digital currency issued by a central bank. And in the case of a central bank digital currency, the central bank controls, they can freeze the funds at any time. They can seize the funds at any time. They can program your funds with the central bank digital currency. And again, none of this is possible with Bitcoin. But with a central bank digital currency, they can freeze and seize your funds. They can also put expiration on your funds. So with the central bank digital currency, they can, for example, say that if you don't spend at least 5% of your money every month, that it will magically just disappear. And that's a way they can force you to spend money even when you want to save your money. So anyway, central bank digital currencies enable the government to do a bunch of stuff that terrifies a lot of people. So as a result, they have no improvement in the credibility of their monetary properties, and they have a huge downside with increased surveillance by central governments. The country that's farthest along with the central bank digital currency is China, who's been basically begging and coercing their people to try to use it, and it's just essentially been a flop. Like, nobody can figure out why they benefit from this or why they would want the central government of China to have greater control over their money and to be able to do things like restrict what they spend it on. So with a central bank digital currency, you can also program it where it only works for certain transactions. So, for example, the central government could decide that they don't like it when Christians purchase Bibles anymore. And so they could put a prohibition where you're no longer allowed to spend your central bank digital currency at a Christian bookstore, for example. So there's really no reason.